Hello everyone, this is a quick video announcing a week-long 75% off sale for the Water Series project files. They will be available on Gumroad. This will make the project extremely cheap relative to the amount of content from July 6, 2026 to July 13, 2026. The project includes Tropical Island, Winter Island, realistic swimming, rowboats, motorboats, sailboats, jet skis, submarines, lighthouse, water effects, School of Fish, Fish AI, fish riding, fishing, snowmobiles, sleds, and more. This is only for the Water Systems bundle. If you're planning to purchase any of these, be sure to look through all the previews and read the descriptions carefully so you know exactly what you're getting. You can also watch the video showcase or try the demo. I'll now show you how to apply the discount. The store pages will initially display the default prices, so you'll need to proceed to checkout first. To apply the discounted price, enter the code WATERDISCOUNT in the discount code field and click Apply. This discount makes the project extremely affordable considering the amount of content included. Then just fill in the information on the right. The offer is available from July 6 through July 13. This will only be available for the first 10 users of the code. If you purchase any of these products, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave an honest rating. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.